Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. The IQOO brand is still trying to make a name for itself worldwide, and the latest phone we have from them is the flagship-killing IQOO Neo 6. Let's go over its key features and see what makes it special. We have here the global IQOO Neo 6, which is different from the Neo 6 which launched in China. The phone brings a snazzy matte gradient finish, which IQOO calls Dark Nova. Also as an accent, there's a pretty large squared off camera bump. Both the back and frame are made of polycarbonate, or plastic, but they don't feel cheap. And the Neo 6 brings IP52 rated protection against dust and light splashes of water. The display is a 6.62-inch E4 AMOLED with a 1080p resolution and a fast 120Hz refresh rate for smoother swiping and scrolling. IQOO claims over 1000 nits of max brightness here, and you get HDR10+ support too. Under the display is a fingerprint scanner for biometrics, and it's pretty fast. There's no 3.5mm jack here, but at least you get a USB-C headphone adapter in the box. Plus there's a pair of stereo speakers for your audio needs. Under the hood, the IQOO Neo 6 packs a high-end Snapdragon 870 5G chipset. It's not as powerful as the current flagship silicon, but it should be plenty for good gaming performance. Plus, there's an advanced passive cooling system with a large vapor chamber and graphite plates, and that should help provide better thermals for those long gaming sessions. The IQOO Neo 6 also has a few other features tailored to gamers, like 4D game vibration, on top of having a responsive 360Hz screen touch sampling rate. The interface of the phone is Vivo's Funtouch OS 12, based on Android 12. It's nothing we haven't seen before, but what's neat is the promise of 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of monthly security patches for this phone. The Neo 6 has a 4700 mAh battery and comes bundled with an 80-watt flash charge adapter, which IQOO claims can charge the phone from 0 to full in half an hour. And on the back, you get a pretty typical mid-range camera setup. There's a 64-megapixel main cam with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro cam. So there you have it guys, the IQOO Neo 6 seems to offer a nice set of features, especially if you're more into gaming. I wouldn't expect it to compete with more expensive phones when it comes to the cameras though. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.